How to find percentage in Excel. This is a score sheet of 5 students. Each student has his own respective score with regard to each subject, which is English, Science, and Maths. Each student is supposed to score 100% out of each subject. And we have a total of 3 subjects, making it an expected total mark of 300. In order for us to find the percentage of each student, we first have to know the total obtained mark. In this case, we're going to use this formula in this cell equal to sum bracket open, then I'll choose this cell, then full column, then I'll continue to click on this cell, then bracket close and click on enter. This will give us the total obtained mark of each student. After calculating this, we then position our marks on this angle, then drag it to have the summation of each student's total obtained mark. After that, we then have to calculate for the percentage. Now for us to calculate the percentage, we have to divide the obtained mark by the total mark and then multiply it by 100. And to do that, we have to locate the percentage cell for each student and then type equal to this cell, which is F2, division sign in this case is backslash, then E2, which is the total mark, multiply by 100 and then click on enter. So this has given us the percentage score of the student, which is Edwin. In order for us to calculate the remaining one, all we have to do is to come to this percentage score of this first student, then position our mouse to this angle and drag it downwards to the last student and leave it. So this will give us the respected percentage score of all these students. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.